Hi everyone, T16D supports customized switch voice. It is useful for users who want voice for switches. Besides, multilingual users can also make voice in different languages such as French, German, Italian, Spanish, Japanese, and so on. Today I'm going to introduce how to make customized switch voice on T16D, and there are 3 steps in total. First, make customized voice. You have 2 methods to make the voice. The first one is to use a text-to-speech software to create voice files. You can search free text-to-speech software online to make the voice file. The second one is to record your own voice by using mobile phones or computers. It is recommended to use your own voice since it is simple and free. I have already used the text-to-speech software to create 2 voice files and copied the files on the computer. One voice file is light on and the other one is light off. We take these 2 files as examples to show how to set switch voice on T16D. What I need to do next is to modify the format of the voice file to ensure the format of the voice file meets the following 4 conditions. You can use voice software to modify the format of the file. I take WAV Converter, an online website, to modify the format of the voice file. Here is the website, and click Select File. Select the voice file you need to modify. Open it, and convert to WAV format, and click this option to set mode. Set channels to mono, and set sample rate to 16,000 Hz. Click OK, and convert. Wait for it. The conversion is finished. And use the same method to modify the format of another voice file. WAV, and channels to mono, and sample rate to 16,000 Hz. OK. And the conversion is finished. Download all the files. Unzip the files. And here are the 2 voice files that has been modified and they're on the desktop. Second, copy the voice files into T16D and connect T16D to the computer via a Type-C cable. Here it is. It is connected. And push 2 trim buttons to the middle and long press the power button at the same time. T16D enter the boot mode, select USB mode and press push button to confirm it. The computer will display a removable disk T16D. Open it. And there is a folder called Sounds. Open it. And User. And please copy and paste your customized voice files into the user folder. Copy the 2 voice files. And paste them. And the paste is done. Eject the disk. And press End button to exit the USB mode. Long press the power button.
Welcome to RadioLink.
T16D is powered on. Third, set switch audio function on T16D. And please make sure the volume is turned up. And transmitter settings. System settings. The volume is turned up so the voice can be heard. And enter basic menu settings. Switch audio. You can set the voice broadcast for switches from switch A to switch H. And take switch A as an example. Here it is. And I use switch A to control a night and select the voice file for switch A. For switch A up, and I select light on. And for switch A down, and I select light off. And since switch A is a two-position switch here, so I don't set switch A middle, just keep it null. Now push switch A down.
Light off.
Light is off. And push switch A up.
Light on.
Light is on. And you can follow this tutorial to set the voice you want for different switches. And that's all about how to make a customized switch voice on T16D.